my name's Michaela and we're gonna be drawing a really cute werewolf today. So we start with the big head, big round head. Then we add the ears. Then we add the cutesy mouth with a little nose and a little tooth. And then we add the eyes, big wide eyes. Then we add the cutesy other part of the eyes. Smaller circle. And we fill it in. And then after we fill in this eye, we fill in the other. And then we add a birthmark. That gives it powers. Then we add the little squaggle, if you'd like. Then add some cool details that I think make it look cute, but also awesome. And there you go. You got yourself a baby werewolf. I hope you liked my video. Bye!